Hi everyone. So today we're going to take a little bit of time to talk about how you should choose the right diet for you. A lot of people tend to think that there's a perfect diet out there, a diet plan that's going to offer the best results, and that's the one they need to be on. But a lot of times what diet will work great for one person doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work great for you. So the really important thing is to think about your personality type, how different foods affect you, and what kind of overall diet approach you want to use. For example, low carb diets are very popular right now, but for some people, they're going to feel miserable on a low carb diet. And as much as they may try to follow that diet, they're not going to follow it. So if they don't follow it, they're not going to see results. So it really does come down to personality and different factors that are going to influence which diet you should choose. So the first thing you want to think about is how fast you want to lose weight. Now, I know everybody wants to lose weight today. It's like, I need to drop 30 pounds by this weekend. What you need to think about is the faster you try to lose weight, the more strict and the more intense that diet is going to have to be. Since your calorie deficit does determine your rate of fat loss, the faster you want to lose fat, the more calories you're going to have to cut. So if you struggle with hunger and you struggle with feeling restricted, you may want to take a more of a slow and steady approach to your fat loss just because you're more likely to follow it and reach your end goal. The second thing you want to think about is your flexibility. Some people like having the flexibility to say, you know what, I feel like having chicken at this meal, or oh, maybe I feel like having steak. Others, they like the direct approach where they know what they eat, they know when they eat it, and that's that. So think about that and try and find a plan that compromises with this. If you need a meal plan that says eat this at this time, you need to find a diet that is going to teach you to do that. And the third thing to think about is whether you're going to exercise or not. With going back to that low carb whole factor there, if you're going to use a very low carb diet, you're not going to be doing a lot of exercising. Exercising, especially intense exercise, is going to demand that you're eating carbs. Carbohydrates are the main source of fuel for those intense physical activities, so if you're not taking them in, you're not going to have fun during that exercise session, and you're definitely not going to be beneficial. So if you need to exercise, you need a more moderate diet. It can still be low in calories, but it needs to have the carbs in there. So those are a few things to think about when you're going about finding a diet. Remember, there's not a one-size-fits-all approach here. You need to think about what's important to you and then find a diet to match that. When you do that, then that will be the best diet.